Stress often feels like an invisible weight dragging us down, infiltrating every part of our day, from tense shoulders to restless nights and that constant sensation of running on empty. But what if the key to calming your overwhelmed nervous system isn't a costly treatment or complicated routine, but rather simple, enjoyable hobbies? Here's the twist. Psychology research reveals that certain everyday activities do far more than just fill time. They actively soothe your nervous system and help you better cope with pressure. And this is the part most people miss. These hobbies don't just distract you. They send a strong signal to your brain that it's safe to relax and reset. So if stress has been stealing your peace, here are 9 hobbies grounded in scientific evidence that can gently turn down the stress dial and bring balance back to your body and mind. 1. Gardening. Remember the soothing feeling when you tend to a plant, watching tiny green shoots bravely emerge from soil? Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's a natural remedy for stress. Research in Frontiers in Psychology shows that even short periods spent gardening can lower cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress, and brighten your mood. This means whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a tiny windowsill, nurturing herbs or houseplants can provide a calming, grounding ritual. The simple acts of watering or trimming plants engage you in a cycle of growth that mirrors your own inner healing, making gardening a subtle form of natural therapy. 2. Journaling. Ever felt like your mind is juggling endless tabs? Writing those thoughts down is like closing some of those windows, giving your brain a chance to breathe. Studies have found that expressive writing helps calm intrusive thoughts and regulates emotions by converting vague worries into clear, manageable words. This process physically relaxes your nervous system. Beginners can start small. Try jotting down a few thoughts before bed or noting moments of gratitude. Over time, your journal becomes a personalized roadmap, helping you understand and navigate your feelings more clearly. 3. Yoga. Imagine a practice that combines gentle movement with mindful breathing to instantly soothe your body and mind. That's yoga. Research compiled in PLOS-1 confirms yoga's role in activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which controls rest and recovery and is the antidote to stress's fight or flight response. You don't need fancy equipment or a pricey class. Even 5 minutes of slow stretching paired with deep, intentional breaths can shift your nerves into a calmer, balanced state. Yoga offers a practical, accessible way to cool down an overheated nervous system. 4. Knitting or crocheting. When I first tried crocheting, I didn't expect to become so absorbed that time just flew by. But the repetitive, rhythmic motion effortlessly quieted my racing mind and brought a meditative rhythm to my thoughts. This experience aligns with the psychological concept of flow, a deeply focused mental state known to lower stress and boost well-being. Engaging in fiber arts like knitting or crocheting lets your hands stay busy enough to calm your thoughts without overwhelming you. It's a wonderful, tactile way to nurture mental peace while creating something beautiful. 5. Walking in nature. Have you ever noticed how a simple walk through trees or a quiet park can feel like hitting a reset button? Studies on forest bathing reveal that spending time in natural settings reduces heart rate and lowers stress hormones. This natural immersion helps clear the mental noise and reduces that constant tension we carry. You don't need a destination, just a leisurely stroll amidst birdsong, the rustle of leaves, or the scent of earth can refresh the nervous system. This accessible activity reminds us how powerful slowing down and connecting to nature truly is. 6. Painting or sketching. Art might seem intimidating, But putting brush to paper or pencil to sketchbook is far less about perfection and more about emotional release. Research into art therapy demonstrates that creative expression lowers cortisol and fosters relaxation. I found that urban sketching during high-stress periods helped shift my focus away from worries and into the present moment. Whether it's doodling abstract patterns or capturing a quiet scene, art invites your emotions to find a gentle landing place where words fall short. 7. Playing a musical instrument. Making music pulls you right out of overthinking and plants you in a rich experience of rhythm and sound. Scientific findings show that playing instruments not only relaxes the mind, but also strengthens emotional resilience. Even beginner-friendly instruments like the ukulele or kalimba provide a satisfying escape from stress, allowing you to create a soothing dialogue between your brain and the melodies you produce. Music becomes more than entertainment. It transforms into a healing practice. 8. Cooking simple, nourishing meals. There's a unique comfort in chopping vegetables, stirring a pot, and blending flavors. For many, myself included, cooking is a go-to way to ground oneself when life feels overwhelming. The sensory engagement from smell, texture, and taste calms the nervous system, while the predictable sequence of steps offers order amid chaos. Even straightforward dishes like soup or homemade bread invite a meditative ritual that centers your mind and body, turning meal prep into self-care. 9. Meditation and breath work. Endlessly heightened awareness can leave you exhausted. But meditation and breath work guide that alertness toward calm and balance. Scientific evidence reveals these practices increase brain matter in areas tied to emotional regulation, essentially training your nervous system to respond to stress with more ease. Simple breathing techniques, inhale for 4 seconds, hold, then exhale for 4, can quickly shift you out of fight or flight mode. Over time, meditation and breath work become powerful tools for reclaiming peace anytime stress threatens to overwhelm you. Final thoughts. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to dominate your experience. These 9 hobbies serve as more than just pleasant distractions. They are vital tools to help your nervous system rest and recover. You don't need to try them all at once. Even starting with 1 or 2 can make a noticeable difference. Whether it's the nurturing touch of gardening, the emotional clarity of journaling, or the sensory comfort of cooking. Giving yourself regular opportunities to unwind is a profound way to reclaim calm in a hectic world. So which hobby will you try first? Or do you believe there are more effective ways to combat stress? Share your thoughts. Let's start a conversation about what really helps us thrive amid life's pressures.